On this episode of Designing Spaces, we're taking the guesswork out of car maintenance so you can spend more time enjoying the ride instead of maintaining it. Find out how to check, connect, and charge up with DieHard. Become a smoother operator with new wheels. And learn a little DIY trick that will keep you safe in the dark. Time to rev up and get your motor running. Coming up next on Designing Spaces. Are you looking for quick and convenient solutions that can take care of your vehicle's needs with the click of a button? We have you covered. DieHard has joined forces with Amazon, featuring new smart and powerful products shipped right to your doorstep. Today, we'll meet an automotive enthusiast who's going to show us how to check, connect, and charge up all at once using some of his favorite DieHard products.
Hi, I'm John. Welcome to my home. We're a large family and we have multiple vehicles. We utilize them all on a regular basis, and right now we're charging our family's SUV with our DieHard Smart Charger and Maintainer. And over here we have my pride and joy. It's a Honda CB750. My father-in-law was nice enough to restore this for me. I love taking it out on the weekends. And one of the great things about DieHard products is that it can be used on a variety of vehicles, so it keeps my bike charged and ready to ride.
The DieHard Charger and Maintainer is compatible with a variety of things from cars to jet skis, making your charging experience quick and stress-free.
I was just about to check on my car's battery using DieHard Smart App. Come check it out.
With the DieHard Smart App, you can check the status of the battery and start or stop charging it from your phone or tablet without even being near your vehicle.
So once I know that my battery's at 100%, I simply turn it off and it goes straight into maintenance mode, giving me peace of mind. I never have to worry about my battery because the Smart Charger and Maintainer does all the work for me. Hey babe, how's it going? Okay. Okay, stay calm, sit tight, I'll be right there. My wife's car battery just died, so I'll be to the rescue. Let's go for a ride and I'll show you another one of my favorite DieHard toys. Life can be very unpredictable. That's why I always have my jump starter with me.
The jump starter from DieHard may be small in size, but it packs a punch and power. With up to 20 jump starts per charge and an easy-to-read LCD screen. This pocket-sized charger will have you cranked up and back on the road in no time.
Perfect. All right, babe, we're definitely gonna go home and order you one of these now.
Yes, please.
Thanks for hanging out with me today, guys. Now that you know a little bit more about keeping your car batteries connected and charged, we're gonna go inside and do some online shopping. Bye. Bye.
Want to browse and shop some of DieHard's latest innovative products? Simply log on to amazon.com/DieHard or go to designingspaces.tv.
They go, and how they'll finish, nobody knows. But most NASCAR winners know there's only one way to start, with the same DieHard battery you can buy for just racing around town.
Since 1967, DieHard has been creating and building its legacy as the leading brand in high-performance automotive batteries. After more than 50 years of providing customers with more power and durability in their vehicles, DieHard is shifting gears with their new line of DieHard Silver Touring tires. Today, we're going to take a ride with a driver who's looking for new wheels to turn his daily bumpy drive into a more pleasant experience. And DieHard has just what he needs. The right tire with the right fit makes all the difference with your drive and safety. Roman is a general manager at GC Construction Company, a thriving family business. With 10 to 15 major projects on GC's calendar every year, Roman is on the road daily, moving from site to site, and those rough conditions are constantly putting a beating on his tires. We sent Roman over to Sears Auto Center to talk to one of their specialists about their latest line of all-season tires.
Hey man, welcome to Sears Auto. I'm there. What can I do for you today?
I'm in the market for some tires for my SUV.
What's your everyday drive like?
I'm in construction, so it's usually a rough terrain. I'm looking for something with a good tread, a great warranty, very durable.
I got the perfect tire for you. Follow me this way. You mentioned you've been looking for something with a longer warranty. How does 70,000 miles sound to you?
Sounds great.
Okay, so this is a DieHard tire. It's an all-season tire. It's good for all weather and road conditions. I know you heard about the DieHard batteries. It's been around a while. It's a very trusted brand.
Right.
And it's a very smooth ride from what you described to me. This tire will be perfect fit for you.
Great, let's do it.
One of the perks of purchasing your DieHard tires from Sears Auto is the friendly, hands-on customer service.
And apart from the mileage warranty, we also have the road hazard.
Okay.
It's like insurance for 4 years, so if you get a nail in the tire, it's free to fix at any Sears nationwide.
Okay.
If the tire can't be fixed, you'll be prorated. It covers you for 4 years. Also, rotation is free, balance is free, any Sears nationwide.
Wow, there's actually one right around the corner from my house.
There you have it.
After installing, balancing, and aligning the DieHard Silver Touring tires to Roman's vehicle, it's time to get on the road and test out the legendary brand.
How was the ride?
Smooth.
Nice. I figured it was. Any questions or concerns, you can go to any Sears nationwide.
Okay, you got it. Thank you so much.
All right.
For more information on DieHard tires and the rest of their Power Ahead products, visit diehard.com or visit your local Sears Auto Retail Center. You can also visit us at designingspaces.tv. Being able to see the road clearly at night is essential to nighttime driving safety. What many drivers don't know is that they can get much more light from their headlights by simply upgrading their headlight bulbs. Join us as we shine some light on how you can make your driving experience more enjoyable with the switch of a bulb. Meet Sabine Sanchez, a PR manager and mother of two who's constantly on the go. Between working late hours and finding time to spend with her kids, Sabine is used to driving at night, but has recently discovered challenges with her vision that have her concerned.
Well, I noticed that when I'm driving at night lately, I'm really having a hard time. I'm struggling to see where I'm going, and I'm squinting. I can't see the signs or the oncoming traffic, and I really feel like my eyesight is deteriorating. And I'm really concerned for the safety of my kids, because that's when we do majority of our driving is at night.
Sabine is on her way to meet with Jake Spencer with Philips Automotive to discuss her driving concerns and install the new Philips X-tremeVision headlight bulb.
Hi, Sabine. I'm Jake from Philips Automotive.
Hi, Jake.
Hi.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. Sabine, I completely understand your concerns for your safety, and I'm 100% certain that once we upgrade your headlights with the Philips X-tremeVision bulbs, you'll be seeing much better and clearer at night.
That sounds great.
All right, let's do this.
Installing new headlights is a job that almost every driver can do. It's recommended that you wear gloves to protect your hands and the bulb. Plus, you can check for videos on how to change the bulbs online. Once Jake has installed the new set of bulbs in Sabine's car, they head out to put them to the test.
So, Sabine, can you see a little bit clearer, a little bit further?
Yeah, I can. I notice I'm not squinting. I'm not struggling to see where I'm going. I'm not worried about what's coming at me. I can definitely see clear. I'm so happy about that.
Good, I'm really glad to hear that.
Another way to ensure that you have even lighting when driving at night is to change the bulbs in pairs. Doing this means installation is one and done. Those XtremeVision bulbs sure do pack a punch. Now that Sabine is all set with her new pair of upgraded headlights, Jake breaks down the science behind the beam.
The Philips XtremeVision bulbs are going to deliver up to 100% more vision on the road at night. That's going to increase your safety and your comfortability while you're driving.
That's exactly what I need.
Hey, Mom. Hi, honey. Guess what?
What?
I just hit a home run.
Great job. That's awesome. Mario, this is Jake.
Hi, Jake.
Hey, Mario, how are you?
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Well, Jake, I'm so excited about my new Philips headlight bulbs. Thank you so much for all of your help.
Sure, Sabine, anytime.
For more information on Philips' innovative lighting solutions, visit philips.com/automotive. You can go to these websites to learn more about the participants on this edition of Designing Spaces. For more information on anything you've seen on today's show, or to learn how you can be a part of the show, go to our website, designingspaces.tv. Making a space you can call home, living the lifestyle you desire. It's what we're all about. We're Designing Spaces.